This is the night before I record, but tomorrow morning I wake up at 4 a.m. and you guys will see what I do. It's time to carry the motherfucking boats. Okay.
That was horrible.
You'll get better in practice. It was a successful workout, and now we on the way to work. We just got here. Two electric expansion tank setups, so 2 T's. Well, hey, they missed you from the last video.
But I think they're starting.
Hi! So when you make it as a millionaire, don't forget about us poor white motherfuckers.
Bag of happiness open already. And that's everything. Thank you, sir! I mean, whatever, so we just need to make sure that we have Little do you guys know, this is my biological son. He left me for another plumber.
I divorced, so I'm finding you a new mom right now.
Fuck, how did that work if you're my son? That logic does not work if you're my son. I'm fucking daddy. Yeah.
I'm spinning some real, and fuck all that spinning the narrative shit. I'm boy about sparing some shit. Lucky that vote was suing, cause is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy?
Is you fucking crazy? Alright, so we just got to the job. Gonna unload and then get started. I'm gonna turn on the time lapse, so I'll see you guys on the phone. So we just got done with our first house, about to head to the second job. So as you guys seen on the time lapse, I did the kitchen sink and also did the double water heater system, which is this. As far as my guys, they'll go ahead and do the bathroom setups. Everything's good to go. Let's go run upstairs. Okay, same thing up here. I won't be recording myself on these next 2 jobs that we're going to. I'll get at you guys once we finish the last 2 jobs of the day. We just got done with all our jobs. How you feeling, Alex? How you feeling, Darius?
Ready to go home.
Fuck yeah, I feel that too. Shit, the fucking shovel was our best friend. But anyways, gonna clock out, call it a day. We made it back. Got my meal prep. So there's quite a few people here. I feel awkward. So what I'm gonna do is record with my phone. Yeah. My food warmed up, got my chips. Shit, this is 5-star delicacy right here. I'm gonna go ahead and move because I've got someone watching me right now. So now we feast. Eating the same shit every day. I'm getting pretty close to touching a year of living out my car. That shit was delicious. Let's head on to the library. Got a little study room. This camera doesn't have a time-lapse option, and I need to lock in and work on a few things. So I'm gonna end up using the iPhone for the little time-lapse shot until the library closes. So we just got done here in the library. It's dark. They are closing up, so I've got to wrap it up. Successful day. Have a good night. Bougie ass library. Library is now closed. I'm about to continue editing, working on what I'm working on, and then once I finish eating, I'm gonna call it a wraps. That's a wrap for the night. Successful day as always. Super blessed to be where I'm at mentally, physically. All in all, I'm trying to keep going at it every day. That's all that matters. So I got my little pillow right here. Oh, just recline that motherfucker. This is me every night. Strive to be the best version of yourself that you can be every day. And as long as you're trying, that's all that matters. It might not happen overnight. It might not happen within the next week, the next month, and the next year. But just keep going at it. Self-discipline is key when it comes to achieving whatever goals you want to achieve. With that being said, have a good night. And see you guys on the next video.
Fuck average. Are you gonna be a beast or a bitch? You make the call, motherfucker.